This game was sent to me by the MejorChoy company for the purpose of this review, but the opinions are of my own. This game is easy to set up, take about 10 minutes to get it all set up. It does collapse and fold down. It comes with 8 bean bags. You do have to fill the bags. They're like little zippered pouches that you can put beans or rice or corn in there. The game is easily played. It comes with the 1 game board, and so like we did 2 players, each throwing 4 bags at a time, and then you just add up the number of points, and whoever hits the most points wins. This is my son. He's 7 years old playing. He had no problems with it. I would say it's appropriate ages 1 year to maybe 12-ish or up. Even adults could play, but I would just worry about whatever's inside the bean bags. That would be the only thing to worry about for this game. And it's waterproof. It can be played in the beach or the sand or outside on vacations, and it folds up, easy to take down and put away to go.